Hi guys, I am Madhumita Ghosh, currently in 4th year engineering. In this video, I am going to explain all details about TCS NQT. Hope this video will help you. So let's start. From very first, I want to share you TCS NQT is a multi-level assessment. All candidates need to complete application process on their TCS Next Step portal, which is their official website. NQT is the test provider for TCS Ninja hiring selection process. Their salary including all benefits is between 3.36 LPA, which is for Ninja profile, and 7 LPA for digital profile. Their eligibility criteria are: the age limit of the candidates must be in the range of 18 to 28 years. All the candidates that have completed their graduation from any stream from their recognized Indian university are eligible to apply. Qualification are full-time graduates from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc or MCA 2021 year of pass out. Their percentage criteria are 60% or 6 CGPA, almost same throughout academics in 10th, 12th, undergraduate, diploma and postgraduate. Their backlog criteria is one active backlog at the time of appearing for the exam, which is TCS NQT. All these criteria should meet at the time of application and the selection process. Okay guys, TCS NQT detailed syllabus of 2022. Cognitive skill, verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability, programming skill, programming logic and coding. One important note. Sorry, there is 3 points. There will be no negative marking. TCS NQT is adaptive this year. You will not get any extra rough paper in the exam, as a calculator and rough paper will be available on your desktop screen. You are not allowed to move your eyes down while giving this examination. So guys, you should very careful about their protocol and about their criteria. Okay, moving forward. Uh, and there is 6 sections, 6 subsections. Mandatory NQT, there is 3 sections you have to pass. There is verbal ability, number of questions will be 24 and the time will be 30 minutes. Reasoning ability, 30 questions, 50 minutes. So guys, you can understand the short timings now. Numerical ability, 26 questions will be there and time will be 40 minutes. And for TCS and other IT companies, this is a mandatory part. Section 4, there will be programming logic, 10 questions will be there and 15 minutes time will be there. Section 5, hands-on coding, there will be a coding questions which is the duration is 15 minutes. Section 6, hands-on coding 2, question number 2, there will be 30 minutes time for you guys. Total 92 questions and 180 minutes time will be there. So you have to very specific about your timing while you solve these questions. Okay, there is per question time limit. One most important thing I should add, there is per question time limit, so you have to solve very quickly. Okay, point number 2, kindly work on that and be confident with your answer. While moving forward to your technical part, you have to face 2 coding questions. Okay, you should pass all the test cases in a particular program. You should try at least one of the code running successfully to meet the cutoff. If other part of the exam went well, is good, then you will definitely crack it. Without practice, nothing will be fruitful, so you have to work on that. Okay, based on your performance of TCS NQT, you will be selected for the interview. Ninja or digital profile based on your NQT score. Okay. Your interview schedule will be shared with you guys via mail, and your offer letter will be generated after your selection process. Hope you will nailed it. All the best, guys.